that's a good house. Let's try it.
Well, yeah, it says J.
Oh my.
Well, it does have good Christmas lights.
Of course it does. It always does. Okay, I hope this one works. Hold this, please.
All right.
I hope she's here.
Hi, Aunt Marge. Remember me? I'm Sierra. This is Christopher and David. May we sweep your walk, please, for 2 pennies?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know if it needs it.
Oh, but Aunt Marge, only for 2 pennies. Do you think we can do it?
Oh, I guess so, for 2 pennies. But what do you want 2 pennies for?
Well, we found out that in our country there's so many Bibles that are not being read. But before the people who are in the more than 2,000 language groups who don't have the Bible yet in their translation, they don't get to celebrate Christmas because they don't know who Jesus is. We'll give those 2 pennies so that one person can listen to the Bible on a little machine called the Mega Voice.
So can we?
Yes, go ahead.
I'll tell you when we're done.
You call me when you're done.
Okay.
We're done. Now let's go get our 2 pennies.
Okay, let me just finish up this last part.
Alright.
Ooh, I can't wait to get our 2 pennies. Hi, Aunt Marge. We're all done.
Oh, that looks pretty nice. And you said it's just 2 pennies you want?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, who collects the money? You do.
I'll hold it.
Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
Thank you. You too.
Okay, bye.
Thanks for coming.
Go back home and put the money away.